Hi there, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through memory loss assessments. This assessment tests the strength of a client's memory and can identify common lapses and areas to improve. Clients can better understand the state of their cognitive decline and evaluate their progress over time. The assessment is comprehensive and includes relevant instructions as well as scales and checkboxes for you to complete. The first step is to download the PDF. You can access it through our website or app for free. Complete the worksheet with the person in mind who is needing memory assessment, remembering to take the time for each aspect. Once completed, remember to store the document securely as this does contain personal and sensitive information. To use this assessment in Carepatron, click on the Templates tab on the left. There you can filter by assessment and by community to view all of our assessment collection. If you'd like to find the assessment faster, type in the keywords memory loss. Click on the template by selecting the Choose Template icon and then select your client. This will bring up the Draft tab where you can edit information, clicking Publish once complete.